I really like these lenses for 2, maybe 3 reasons. I say maybe because more and more I now care about things like autofocus reliability and far less about the pixel peeping related aspects that I used to think were important, unless they're glaringly bad. But in short, as far as lenses go, these are great. Each lens has a M switch on the side, a control ring and a function button, all of which can be accessed easily with your left hand. Other lenses offer this, but not many do in such a consistent way across the range for such a nice price. What I've done is set that function button to be my record button, the M switch to turn off autofocus for when I want to manual focus, and the M2 to turn autofocus back on and change the control wheel to aperture instead of manual focus. This way, everything I like to change on the fly can all be accessed with my left hand without having to release my grip from anywhere to hit record or change an exposure setting or adjust a focus mode. As far as characteristics and quality go, I haven't lab tested these, but I have used them a lot in the real world and they give results I love. As far as adaptability goes, I'll mention that in another video focused around the anamorphic adapter you can attach to the front, but the footage you can see on screen was all captured with the Samyang Cine V-AF series lenses, and I think if you're video focused, these lenses would well be worth a consideration instead of Sony's GM series lenses, especially, and I encourage this, if you compare the price.